They call her Kati Thanda now, beneath an endless sky. A silver scar across the earth, where desert rivers die.
She waits through years of emptiness,
then rises with the rain.
a mirror laid across the dust
that disappears again.
The old maps called her Lake Eyre, the new signs speak her name.
But water does not read the words
or recognize a claim.
She carries every cloud above,
Each bird and falling star,
too wide to hold behind a desk,
too wild to own from far.
We came to stand beside her,
Not to conquer or command,
just to feel the wind upon us,
and the water meet the land.
no boats on Lake Eyre, no footprints in the clay.
You may watch her from a distance,
Then quietly walk away.
they can draw another boundary,
They can close another track,
but the rain still finds the river, and the river still comes back.
the sailors kept their timber boats through every year of drought, waiting for the desert rain to call the old crews out.
Not for gold or trophies,
Not to leave the country scarred,
just one brief sail through silence, under heaven's open yard.
Then people came with lanyards,
With reports beneath their arms,
speaking softly of protection.
regulation, risk and harm.
Some reasons may be honest,
Some wounds deserve respect,
but a rule without proportion.
is a war we should inspect.
There is wisdom in restraint.
There is arrogance in control,
You can guard a place from damage.
without fencing off its soul.
No boats on Lake Eyre,
No footprints in the clay. You may watch her from a distance, then quietly walk away. They can publish every reason,
they can close another track,
but the rain still finds the river, and the river still comes back.
I knew a man whose final wish was simple as the rain, to touch the inland water he might never see again.
No grand display or protest,
No flag against the sky,
just salt upon his weathered hands before he said goodbye. Who decides what memory?
a human heart may keep,
Who measures every footstep?
where the ancient waters sleep,
Respect is more than distance,
and carries more than law.
entering with humility and awe.
From salt pan to the inlet,
From the mountains to the sea,
the country holds our stories.
but it cannot cage the free.
We are brief beneath the weather,
We are shadows passing through,
and the land belongs to no one if it does not welcome you. No boats on Lake Eyre,
we will question every lie,
for the land can still be sacred
without ceasing to be mine.
Not mine to own or damage,
Not mine to sell or claim,
but mine to know and care for.
and to speak this living name.
No boats on Lake Eyre, yet the flood rolls down the track.
You can fence the road before us,
But you cannot hold it back.
for the rain still finds the river, and the river finds the plain. And the people will remember when the desert fills again.
When the desert fills again,
When the desert fills again.
you cannot own the water.
You cannot fence the sky.
We're only passing